mix up the old ways. Have you ever seen the process of creating garden beds this fast and neat? This is it, the Mini Bed Ridge, a farming machine that's going viral among modern farmers. This machine isn't just a small tractor, it's specifically designed to create beds or ridges in agricultural land. Neat and uniform beds are the key to successful cultivation. Why are these ridges important? First, drainage. The beds prevent water from pooling at the roots, reducing the risk of root rot, especially during the rainy season. Second, aeration or air circulation in the soil is significantly improved, leading to healthier plant roots. The advantage of this machine efficiency in time and labor. Instead of hours of manual hoeing, this tool only needs one pass to form a perfect bed. The result? Uniform, consistent height and width, which is crucial for planting with regular spacing. This machine is suitable for various crops that require high beds, such as red onions, potatoes, highland vegetables, and even sugarcane. With a powerful mini machine, small to medium-scale farmers can save significantly on operating costs. Work that usually requires dozens of hours of manual labor can now be completed in just a few hours. This proves that agricultural technology is the best investment.